Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Combat Master game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box and now type in Combat Master to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Just scroll down and click on Add to Library in order to add this game to your collection. Now you can click on the Play Game or the Play Now option to begin the installation. After choosing your directory, click on the Install button to begin the download and installation. Once the process is completed, you can then start enjoying the Combat Master game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Combat Master on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.